What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys have been fantastic. It has been crazy, it has been busy, it has been raining all over, everywhere. So we've actually been doing a lot of shop work and a lot of cool stuff, and I know you guys probably already see by the title, got some cool things coming for you later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. One thing that we have been working on that I think is pretty dope and you guys might like, and I didn't want to post it yet, but I'll show you guys a sneak peek. It's not done yet, but possibly something for down the road is, look at this. Damn, a routed out Duramax sign. We're thinking about doing some epoxy in the letters and putting some lights in there and then capping it and stuff, sanding it, making it look all pretty. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. We've been working pretty hard up here at the shop, cutting a lot of things, making a lot of things, something like this, which you'll see in the future, what we're working on. Also something like this, which you'll see in the future. Stay tuned, because we're making a lot of like custom stuff to just clean up the appearance of your truck. Today, I don't know if you guys saw in the previous videos, I was making some brackets for Porsche, which I actually found out like kind of Porsche it is. It's a K&N 350. It's an older one, but we made some custom wing mounts. Gotta finish those up. I'm gonna work on some designs for the big truck, and I gotta cut out some other parts. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna run out, grab the parts, and then we'll go over working on some stuff. All right, so we got all our brackets finished up here. Austin's working on some custom work, which you guys will see in the future. Pretty much everything's ready to go, all good. We're gonna run back to my house, and I'm gonna show you guys what this video is all about. See you when we get there. So, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. As you can see, we got the yard littered with vehicles right now. I have bought not one, but two GMC Sierra 3500 Duramax dualies. Obviously this one doesn't have a rear end. Part of the deal was that the original owner took the rear end with it. So let me give you a little bit of a background here, or kind of show you what's going on. So I know this one looks more complete, but this is the parts truck. So this one has a good rear end, and look at these tires, man. I know we're gonna get nice rims for it, but for right now, like, those are killer. So this truck is pretty much all complete drive shaft, but I think this was a cab chassis truck and it had a big box on it. So this is the parts truck, but it's complete. So this truck is the one that we're gonna be using. So yeah, kinda ass backwards. There's a good reason behind it, a long story that I don't really want to go into. For some reason there's a welded tube here. I don't know. We're gonna fix that. But basically what you guys can expect is a built motor, built trans for this. This is gonna be my daily. So this is gonna be like, you know, kind of a little restoration. We're gonna get the cab fixed and painted because there is a little bit of a dent. I don't know what Coyote's freaking out about. There's a little dent right here. It is a salvage title, which, as you guys know, I don't really care too much about because it is gonna be my daily. So we're gonna fix this thing up, make it all pretty, more better, and pretty much we're gonna make this thing nasty. It's gonna be, it is a two-wheel drive, I will say, which means down the road it's a perfect candidate for a solid axle swap. So it'll be a solid axle swap daily, but for right now we're gonna keep it a two-wheel drive, fix everything up, because the show truck needs to get done too. So now we have two builds going on at the same time, and just outrageous. And we have the other work truck that we're gonna flip. So we're gonna flip the work truck, build this truck, save some money, build the big truck. It's gonna be a crazy adventure. But pretty much on this truck, we're not gonna go full crazy on the build, but I'm gonna show you guys a budget 700-800 horsepower kind of build. Probably around 700 is what we'll be at when we're done. So expect, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna clean all this up, fix all this wiring, pretty much probably take the fuse box and everything out of the other truck, because this wiring just kind of looks like trash. And it's been sitting outside for a while. It does already have an EGT probe. Might be changing that. I don't know. Like I said, we're gonna clean this whole thing up, and it, you know, it's taken apart on the inside. Oh, it's locked. Oh Jesus. Okay. So it definitely, this window needs to be redone. It is taken apart up here. As you can see, there's fenders in here and headlights and airbags and plates and a bunch of other nonsense. So yeah, it definitely needs a lot of work, but like I said, we're not gonna go crazy. Probably do a quick coat on the frame just to clean it up. It's already in good shape. We got some modules here and some other stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much almost complete. I don't know why it got taken apart so much, realistically. Like, it doesn't even have a steering box or anything. But yeah, I really don't know. But that's it, guys. So this truck has a motor, but we're not gonna use it. We're actually gonna take the one out of the shop. I guess I should give you a little bit of breakdown. We're gonna take the motor that's in my shop, which you guys have seen, pull it apart, get the cam and the crank keyed. I think we're gonna keep it factory cam. I'm gonna look into that, I don't know yet. Probably factory cam and crank keyed. I have that LBZ LMM block over at Eric's house. We're gonna pull that one down, use the rods out of that one, rebearing them, and then we're gonna buy a set of pistons, probably from PPE, the Performance Race Cast. They should be pretty good. It's like you could either go with D-Lift LB7 or a set of those race casts and be good. But essentially, this is gonna be a shop truck. We're gonna build a flatbed for this. It's gonna have an air compressor, a welder, I don't even know, probably a little generator, run everything. It's gonna be a gooseneck setup with the hitch so we can tow things with it on air, all the good stuff. So this is what you guys can expect to see. This one will probably get done or worked on real quick before the SEMA truck gets done, just because this is gonna be a work truck. We got a lot going on. Plus with school, I really don't have a lot of time. So, I don't know, we just need to get started on this stuff sooner or later. It is a Sunday. I am going to work today because I just don't have time to be messing around. So, we're gonna be working pretty much every day now. So expect to see more content on trucks. I'm sorry that we haven't been filming lately. It's literally been monsooning for like the last week. So we can't really work too much outside when it's downpouring. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. So hopefully this rain kind of blows over. As you can see, it's still kind of crappy out today. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're excited for all the crazy shit going on, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys later. I'm out.